Alright, you guys, moment of truth. Hey y'all, good morning. So it is 4:21 in the morning, and today's agenda is we're gonna be having our lab test done. For some reasons, I got scared with the TikTok video that I saw, and it's talking about preventative tests, getting screened as early as now to check if you have early signs of kidney dysfunctions. Literally just watched that video from yesterday and I got scared for real, like no cap, because apparently there are a lot of factors that can trigger your kidney disease. Or am I saying that medically correct? I don't know. But if you know, you know. But anyways, I just want to get myself checked. I already fasted. Last time I ate was around 8. So, sakto lang. 8 to 10 hours daw kasi yung fasting. And my tita said to undergo the chemical 8 or chemistry 8. That's the name of the lab test. Para nandun na daw lahat. So, I'm in Santa Cruz and she referred me to Laguna Diagnostics Center. And basically around 1,600 daw yun. I'm gonna show you the pricing later on. But it's basically gonna be everything. So, I am really eager and decided na i-push na to kasi nakakabili tayo ng mga luho natin, but why not check our health, right? Because health is definitely fucking wealth. Prevention is key. So, whatever we're doing right now, it's a good first step of our body para malaman natin kung tayo ay healthy or not. But yeah, right now I'm just getting ready. Again, it's around 4:30 na ngayon and I'm gonna just probably walk because it's just 10 minutes walk lang naman from my house. Hey y'all, don't mind the messy background, but I just finished getting ready. This is our fit. Again, it's almost 5 a.m. in the morning and I'm just wearing something comfy and easy for them to draw my blood out. But yeah, anyways, I'm scared for the results, but I'm also excited because I wanted to know if I'm healthy, you know? Just hope that I am fucking healthy. All right, I will be seeing you guys there. XOXO for the meantime. Oh, and by the way, I got the tattoo. That's my new tattoo. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the controller of a Game Boy, PSP, whatever game device you have. TMI. Okay, bye. Alright, you guys. So, hindi nakatumuli maglakad kasi sobrang dilim. As what you can see, sobrang OA pa sa dilim. Gabing-gabi pa pala. And ina-expect ko na medyo may liwanag na pero na-orkot talaga ako. So, ginising ko lang si Robert. Magsasakyan na ako. Nagpasama na ako para lang sure. And, ayun. Na-shock ko talaga ako sobra. But anyways, we'll be going now. So, ganyan siya you guys. Sobrang dilim pa kaya magpapahatid na lang ako na baka ma-rape pa ako. Let's go! So we are in, you guys. I have this thing for my urinalysis. So what I did was Chem 10 para nandun na lahat kasama yung sa liver. So it costed me 1,500 plus 70 pesos added. No, sorry, 180 pesos added for the urinalysis kasi hindi siya kasama dun sa Chem 10. So, yan. In total, it was about 1,500 plus 180. So, 1,680 yung binayaran. So yeah, just a quick update. After this, I may not be able to vlog na because I don't know if it's allowed. Kasi kukuhanan lang ako ng dugo and then this urine. And fasting requirement is about 8 to 10 hours. Yun lang yung pwede. So, just so you know. Alright guys, we are done. Nakuhanan na tayo ng dugo and nakapag-submit tayo ng urinalysis. So, just a quick time check. It's 5:50. Umalis tayo ng bahay ng mga around 5:35. So, it was quick to be honest. Mabilis siya. So, babalik kami mamayang 2 p.m. kasi 3 p.m. magko-close na yung laboratory. So, between 2 to 3 p.m. pwede na namin makuha yung results. So, I'm so fucking excited. Dalawang choice ang pwede namin pagbasahan or puntahan para mabasa yung mga results. It's either sa general physician, yung parang may bayad, and then yung isa yun sa center. But it's a Saturday today, so kailangan namin mag-wait ng Monday para ma-read yung mga results. So, punta na lang kami sa center ng Monday para mabasa yung mga resulta. That is it. After we go home, after namin makarating sa bahay, I'm gonna sleep because kakatapos ko lang literally ng work last 4 a.m. So, diretso na agad. 5:35-ish, umalis na kami. So, that's it, you guys. I will see you later. Hey guys, good afternoon. Time check. It's 2:38 in the afternoon. Actually, kakagising lang namin kanina lang. And then, I'm so scared. Pumunta na namin yung aming lab test results. And good thing that my mom has a friend which is a doctor and my sister is a medical technologist, whatever. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. Basta, meron tayong dalawang taong pwedeng pagtanungan about our results. So, I'm excited and I'm also scared at the same time kasi y'all know na madami akong supplements na tinitake long before pa. Like, I'm already 26 and I started taking hormones when I was like around, 15, 13? Parang mga ganong edad. And also, I'm taking glutathione, collagen, mga ganong supplements. And I don't know if it's affecting my body. So, this year, I promised myself na kailangan dapat healthy ako. And number 2, I'm checked and negative ako sa lahat ng mga tests. So, promise ko yun sa sarili ko this year to be fucking healthy. Well, actually, ang naging trigger point lang this year na para gawin ko siya agad-agad is yung nakita kong TikTok video kahapon. It's actually an eye-opener. So, punta na kami and I will guys keep you updated. XOXO. Alright, you guys. Moment of truth. Oh my God! So, puro negative ako sa urinalysis or dun sa kinuhanan ng dugo. And then dun sa clinical chemistry, lahat nasa range. Dalawa lang yung low. So, creatinine is 0.68 na dapat 0.7. Yun yung pinaka-minimum up to 1.3. And then yung aking SGOT-AST, low siya. Nasa 13 yung range niya, pero dapat 15 to 37. So, I'll take it. Kung low siya, mas maganda. Kasi yun ang sinabi sa akin ng kapatid ko. Mas maganda kung low siya, basta wag lang high. So, oh my God! I'm safe, y'all! Thank God! So healthy tayo, you guys. Kung ano man ang nilalaklak ko ngayon, kung ano mang ginagawa kong diet, exercise, basta lahat yon very much worth it kasi it shows in the results, y'all. So, very happy. So, worth it yung puyat, yung pagod, at yung takot ko sa TikTok na napanood ko kahapon. So, anyways, I'm gonna still send this to my mom and to my kapatid just so that they can check it. Pero at least meron na tayong counting knowledge about that na okay tayo. Wala akong dapat ikabahala. So, yun lang. I'm not a medical professional, kaya hindi ko masasabing gawin nyo to or i-follow nyo yung aking way of living. Basta masasabi ko lang, get checked, get tested, see your doctor. That's it, you guys. A little reminder to take good care of yourself because prevention is motherfucking key. I'll see you in my next video. XOXO. Bye.